Good morning, everyone. I am Buwal Raymond J. Together with Mr. Kapuyan Aaron. Today, we will discuss about herpes simplex virus, the symptoms, treatment, and cure. Symptoms. Many people who get the virus that causes herpes never see or feel anything. If signs what you see or symptoms what you feel occurs. When it comes to herpes, especially genital herpes, many people or many individuals is maka-experience jud it's either noticeable or unnoticeable symptoms. However, if the symptoms do occur, they typically manifest as following: the tingling, itching, or burning. Before the blisters appear, the skins may tingle, itch, or burn for a day or so. So a person nga infected ani is mag-start mamula iyang panit and very katul na kayo siya, and dili na mag-start pud og panginit iyahang katong certain parts sa iyang body nga na atong namula pula. And then very uncomfy kay ni siya. So this sensation is a sign na ang virus is nahimo na siyang active and it's ready to move towards the skin sa tao nga infected. Next is source. One or more painful fluid-filled blisters may appear. Blisters break open and often ooze fluid and form a crust before healing. The first time sores appear, they will show up between 2 to 20 days after a person has contact with an infected person. The source can last from 7 to 10 days. So, kaning source, blister guys, rather, is it's a type of swelling that has a liquid inside. While the source, on the other hand, naman, is mauni siyang luas. Diba? It's familiar. So, this will appear or it will show up between 2 and 20 days after ang person has contact sa taong infected, and maglast po ni siya between or 7 to 10 days. So, we have here source of varies with types of source. We have oral herpes, the HSV1. So, most blisters appear on the lips or around the mouth. Sometimes blisters form on the face or on the tongue, although these are most common places to find other herpes. The source can appear anywhere on the skin. So, makita mo dyan sa picture guys, so na siya sa baba. So, nag-form siya ng murag bleb gani, like na siya liquid inside. So, dili lang po ni siya dili lang po na siya diha sa baba, which is pwede po siya sa different parts sa atong body. So, that area is a common area nga mag-occur ang maong blisters. While we have here na pod is genital herpes, the HSV2. Sores typically occur on the penis, vagina, buttocks, or anus. Women can have sores inside the vagina, like oral herpes. This sores can appear anywhere on the skin. So, just like sa atong sa micropara man di ba? So, ang mga kanang luas is mag-occur jud siya different parts sa, especially sa genitals jud, labi na if it's a common kuan magud labi na kay intercourse sa kanang infected na person, then mo-occur ni siya. So, it's either sa oral or sa genital. So, pag sa genital, so, di ba, grabe lala kayo, na siya blisters or liquid form, then napod siya yung mga luas, just very sakit jud kay na siya guys. Next is, we have here also a person has HSV1. So, a bad sunburn can trigger a herpes simplex outbreak. So nawong di ba, mo siya nasunog, like something like dili lang po siya sa baba, nabdo siya sa kanang may aping tapita. So, mo na siya guys, ang HSV1 is ang oral herpes, and then sa genital is the HSV2. So, we have here also flu-like symptoms. Fever, muscles aches, or swollen lymph nodes, glands in the neck, oral herpes, or groin, are possible. So if nakakay ka ng if nakakaani nga if infected ka, so it's possible po jud nga nakay mo occur jud ang mga lymph nodes, then kalinturahon jud ka. Then second point is a problem urinating. So people, most often women jud, with genital herpes may have trouble urinating or have a burning feeling while urinating. So ang tao po nga infected ani is maglisod siya pangihi, especially women jud. Murag sakit kay na sa ilaha, murag lisod sila gihi, murag di sila uncomfy kay sa ilaha. Next is an eye infections or herpes keratitis. So sometimes the herpes simplex virus can spread to one or both eyes. If this happens, you can have pain, light sensitivity, discharge, and a gritty feeling in the eyes. Without prompt treatment, scarring of the eyes may result. Scarring can lead to cloudy vision and even loss of vision. So, kani nga case is sa eyes, which is need siya a prompt treatment, because if dili siya magapan dayon, which is it leads to mabutak ka, or it either kanang mag-blurred imuhang pananaw, then murag sakit kini siya. It's either pod sa between sa one eye or ang duha ka mata ang ma-infect ani. So if you develop signs and symptoms of herpes simplex, you can expect to have these for as long as listed below. So as mentioned earlier, so ang oral, mouth or herpes, and genital herpes. Then herpes simplex outbreaks usually develop around the mouth or on the genitals, but the source can appear almost anywhere on the skin. So ang herpes simplex is mag-occur jud siya sa mouth or sa genital, but ang source or ang blisters is makita po niyo siya sa different or anywhere sa atuang body. Mugawas jud siya guys basta ang symptoms is mo occur na, which is ang virus is mahimo na siyang active, very active ng virus. So that's only my part. So Mr. Kapuyan will continue to discuss about the treatment and cure about herpes simplex virus. So have a nice day, guys. Thank you.
Good afternoon. So for this reporting, I will be tackling herpes simplex virus symptoms, treatment, and cure. So treatment and cure. How do dermatologists diagnose herpes simplex? During an outbreak, a dermatologist often can diagnose herpes simplex by looking at the source. To confirm that a patient has herpes simplex, a dermatologist may take a swab from a sore and send this swab to a laboratory. How do dermatologists treat herpes simplex? There is no cure for herpes simplex. The good news is that the sores often clear without treatment. Many people choose to treat herpes simplex because treatment can relieve symptoms and shorten an outbreak. Most people are treated with an antiviral medicine. An antiviral medicine cream or ointment can relieve the burning, itching, and tingling. An antiviral medicine that is oral or pills can shorten an outbreak of herpes. So, the prescription antiviral medicines approved for the treatment of both types of herpes simplex include the acyclovir, famciclovir, and valacyclovir. So the outcome is the outbreak of herpes simplex is often the worst. Not all first outbreaks are severe, though some are so mild that a person does not notice. When the first outbreak of genital herpes is mild and another outbreak happens years later, the person can mistake it for a first outbreak, and some people have one outbreak. For others, the virus becomes active again. When they have another outbreak, it is called an recurrence. These tend to be more common during the first year of infection. Over time, the outbreaks tend to become less frequent and milder. This is because the body makes antibodies to the virus. Serious complications rarely occur in healthy people with herpes simplex. They occur often with unborn babies, newborns, and people who have a long-term illness or weak immune system. So if you have a cancer or HIV/AIDS, or you had an organ transplant, seek medical help right away if you have signs or symptoms of herpes infections. And that's all, and thank you for listening.